Hey guys, hey natural lovers, how you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm your girl Shauna, and also welcome back my loyal subscribers. Yeah, you guys are the real ones. All right, before I get into the video, remember to like by clicking the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet, below the comment section, and remember to turn on your post notification bell and click on all so you will be the first to be notified whenever I drop a new video. All right, let's jump right into the video. Natural lovers, today I am going to be doing a slick swoop hairstyle. So believe it or not, I never tried doing the swoop hairstyle before. I never worn it. I never tried it in my hair, so me doing it today is gonna be my first time doing a swoop hairstyle. Yeah, and I hope it comes out good. I think one of the reasons why I never, because my hair was a bit short, right? And I just think that it wouldn't keep. But anyway, today I am going to be doing a swoop hairstyle and I hope it comes out good. I am going to be using extreme wetline gel, and I'm also going to be using Got To Be glue spray. First thing first, natural lovers, I am going to go right ahead and section off my hair. So this section that I am sectioning off will be for my bang, right, to make my swoop. Alright, so I'm gonna go right ahead and add some gel to this section of my hair first. Alright, so now I'm gonna be spraying some of this in my hair. So I'm gonna be catching my hair. Alright, natural lovers, so with this part, I am going to be parting my hair into two. Then I'm gonna be adding the wetline extreme gel to the root, all the way down. And then I'm gonna get my Got To Be glue spray. I'm going to be combing my hair into the direction that I want my bang to be. So I'm just combing and molding that bang. So I will be repeating this process until I think that I am satisfied with the look that I am going for. So guys, I'm gonna go back in with a little bit of gel, just a little bit, and I'm also gonna go back in with my Got To Be glue spray. So now I am going to be doing my official touching my hair up in a low bun. Yeah. Now I am going to be taking out a small amount of hair to make my baby hair, and I am just going to be using the wetline extreme gel to lay my edges down. Then I am going to be using this scarf to tie my head down. Stay tuned for the final look, guys. And I'm surprised that the extreme wetline gel along with the Got To Be glue spray actually works. Yeah, I am so loving this. My swoop bang, beautiful. So natural lovers, this hairstyle, I thought it was gonna fail, but I come through. Yeah, girl, come through. Comes out perfectly. Loving it. Beautiful. Feels so good. I didn't quit. I didn't quit because we're not a quitter. Yeah, I feel really good. Yeah, but guys, make sure you like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, blow the comment section, comment more than one time, and remember to turn on your post notification bell so you will be the first to be notified whenever I drop a new video. Until next time, bye y'all.